Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin. 43 under 45k prior to crash and the third risk whale selling the Bitcoin. Okay, this is the chart about the Bitcoin, and as I told you in my last video around 1 week or 2 weeks ago, you can go to the Bitcoin chart, Bit info chart in here, and you can find this is the rich people who hold the Bitcoin. And the number three, it is not the institution, it is the retail, because the first and the two is the Bitnifact and the Binance. And the third one is the retail. And today, they just selling another Bitcoin. So look, 105, 1,500 Bitcoin selling at the price 41k. And the previous one, he also selling the Bitcoin the same value 1,500 Bitcoin at the price of 44k. And the last time he's selling is in the November. So you can scroll down in here. He is selling at 67k. And what next? What's the meaning? The meaning is look in the green line 1 and 2 and 3. This is the rich whale selling. So far, it's so accurate because in here he's selling when people is FOMO, they are selling. In here, when people FOMO, they are selling. Now he is selling another. We know that today there is a pump in the Bitcoin, but reminder that the third whale is just selling the Bitcoin. That's why uh, I think it's a very bad sign because the third whales everybody gonna see this one. If the whale is selling and the price is pump, I think it's just for the whales who want to short squeeze. So the people play in the leverage, they just die. That's why I'm still waiting the dip. Why? Because first of all about the whales, because the whales is selling in here, and you can find in this chart. You can click the top three whales in here, and you can find he is selling. And the second is you can find this the triangle, symmetrical triangle that we have rejected in here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we ever pull in 1, 2. That's why the next potential that you want to buy for the middle term, you can buy the Bitcoin within the 36k in here. So in the 36k or 35k, it's very good. And also remember about the stochastic RSI. Every time it's going up, it is going down. Every time it's already in up, it's still going down. So far, we are repeated. We know that in the October we have the bull run where the RSI stick in the upper in here, the upper side. But the question is, can we sustain in the upper? I don't think so. Why? Because there are so many resistance. Even the price is pump, as I told you, right? Maybe the Bitcoin can pump a bit before they are continue to going down. But overall, I'm still patiently waiting to buy the dip in here. So we can buy the dip around the 36 or maybe in the Ivan Bollinger Band around the 30k in here. That's why for now we are still waiting. Even like the other coin is pumping. Remember, it's just 1 day, and we need to see the monthly close candle, right? And the people, the institutions still haven't entered. You can find about the look in here when we have the pump. What happening in this August? Okay, let's zoom in like this one. Okay, look. When the press is pumping, the volume is also pumping. You can find there is a spike in the volume in the last 10 days. The volume is pumping, the price is pumping. That's real institution entering the market. But now, when the price is pumping, there is no volume in here. There is just 1 day in here, 1 week pumping. But it doesn't mean that we have the same bullish, same like the last year in the July 2021. That's why if you think that we are now in here is same like we are now in last year in the July, I think it's very silly. Why? Because there is no volume entering. The institution still waiting. The people who come in here is the whales who want to short squeeze for the people playing leverage. That's why uh, I'm still waiting that the third whales indicator in here. He just selling another Bitcoin, and so far he is still so accurate the first, the second, and the third one. That's why I'm still waiting the tip, and yeah, let's wait. And as I told you, in the time cycle that during the May until June in here, this is the start when we are back to the bullish. When the out season is coming, maybe 1 month, 2 months after. That's why until this time, I'm still waiting whether the price is going to down or maybe the price can go up to around the 45. So back to this yellow line. This yellow line is around the 45 in here and then continue to trend. So far, we never break this yellow line. Yellow line is the exponential moving average 34 week. And we ever pump in here because that chart pump in here we ever pump. That's why this yellow line also have the strong support and also the strong resistance. Now we need to break this one. That's why I'm still optimistic that we can buy the dip. That's why you need to wait. And the last, how about the Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq? As I told you, we ever retest 4 times. I think just yesterday I told you we ever test 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now today because of pump we have the 5 retest. And can we pass the 5 retest about the Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq in here? Yeah, you can decide. But for me, we are still waiting because we already hit 5 times, but we never break that. And we still have the ascending in here, means that since the January the Bitcoin is stronger than the Nasdaq, but now if you compare against the November, look, we are still in the downtrend. We are still in the downtrend, and we are still waiting what's next. But overall, that you think that you can break this one, it's okay. It's up to you because I'm not your financial advice, and you need to defend your own analysis. That's why I'm still waiting for it. But if the price is still continue to going down and the Bitcoin is also losing against the Nasdaq, it's very very good. But I am not sure. Maybe the Bitcoin just back to this level and then continue to going up. Why? Because I think the pressure of the buyer is stronger. But is not stronger enough if we can break to this time. Why? Because March is always bad and it's only 8 days until the closing of the monthly candle. That's why I'm still waiting in the early April so we can decide where to enter and when to enter. Okay, I think that's for today. Just a simple data and thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like. Thank you.